You ready to go see Pepper? We're back at Anthony's. Look. Look at that. What the f? Seriously.
Oh, man.
What did they do?
What is all that stuff?
Well, I made it over here to Jacksonville, and I promptly came over here to go to the bathroom, and I was like, why does it sound like my Fantastic fan is up? Because it was. I drove all the way here with my Fantastic fan up. Thankfully, the winds weren't really strong. It seems to be okay. I've never done that. Oh goodness. It wasn't actually on. It was temperature controlled, so it wasn't on. It was just open. Doing some more parking lot surfing again. See, I thought I had it so good over there in Thousand Trails, and then now look at me, I'm back in a parking lot again. I'm in that same spot that I was in before when I parked next to Anthony's building. It's a good spot. You can actually see the water. It's beautiful in downtown Jacksonville. All right, guys, well, I am going to bed. It is like a little after midnight now. Hopefully I can go to sleep quickly. You know, I've been having problems going to sleep lately.
You ready to go see Pepper? Oh, you know that name, huh? Let me see Anthony. Where's Anthony and Pepper? Do you want to go see them? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. This is my good girl. You know how much I love when you do that. Because you're so silly. Oh, you're so silly. You gonna get some food? You gonna get some food first?
Billy, come here.
Thank you. Pepper. Hi, buddy. Come here. Good morning, Anthony.
Morning.
That's not the standard answer.
What's the standard answer?
Is it?
Oh, is it? It's a pretty nice morning.
Lily, where are we at? We're back at Anthony's. Look.
Really?
Isn't this beautiful, guys? So there's where I'm parked over on the other side, right over there. And then we've got the beautiful water and this dock with some shade we can go out on too. Everybody say hi to Anthony. I know you guys love him. He's available, women. He's a business owner. He's a good catch, guys. Come on. What's going on there, mister? What an absolutely gorgeous day this is. I'm so glad I came out here. Anthony thinks I'm a little bit crazy for driving 2.5, almost 3 hours to get here in the middle of the night, but it was worth it. That was all right. I got some good sleep last night too. I told you he's the dog whisperer. Look at that. Y'all jump on his lap.
Where's Amber? Go get Amber. Where's she?
Come here, Pepper. Hi, Peppers. Hi, buddy. I sure missed you. Lily. Hello. Hello. You gonna get on my lap? You're just jealous, aren't you? Go play with Mr. Pepper. Go get him. Go get him. Go. Why are you looking at me that way? Go. Where are you going, Lily? What's he got? I don't know what it is. Oh no, it's I can't tell what it is. Yeah, actually I think it is. It's got little legs on it. Oh, there it goes. Look at how big this package is that they sent for the cassette holding thing. Now I'm like, did they send the whole toilet to you? You said it's lightweight?
Yeah, it's fine.
That's a lot of packaging for a small... Look at that. What the f? Seriously.
Oh, man.
What did they do?
What is all that stuff?
I don't know. This isn't mine. Oh my god, what is that?
Some sort of testing kit.
I didn't order this. All I ordered was this, right here. This is all banged up. What else is in here though? So this was mine. Look, this is what it was in. This was
So they
what
didn't know what was yours, so they just threw everything in.
They did. So that was my box. This is why it was locked.
You get free speakers.
Oh my goodness. Hey, it's Christmas today. I don't know what this is.
Primers and probes for use
Look at
under
this.
emergency use authorization only.
Look at this BD SARS COVID too.
Oh, these are COVID tests?
Oh my God, are they really? Is it COVID tests? I don't see any address on here, do you?
There's something on the side here.
I just looked
But
at
there's no
that.
address.
Yeah, there's no address. So they just like gave us everything. This was in the bag too. Well, I don't know what this is. It's not for me. What are you doing on Pepper's food mat? Huh? That's Pepper's food mat. I don't think he likes that. Come on, get off there. Oh my gosh, you eat this food on there. You don't lay on it, girl. Pepper, were you gonna eat Lily? Was she a snack for you? Do you know that, Lily? Aww. That's so cute. You guys kissed. So guys, Pepper eats his food on this mat. The deal is to slow him down from eating so fast. So he gets his kibble in here and he gets to search and find it. All right guys, we have the cassette holding tank now just to make sure that it fits. I cannot believe that that box had all that stuff in that. That was COVID testing supplies. We're not sure what to do with it, so I'm reaching out to a friend to figure it out. I mean, I doubt anybody would take it off of us. All the supplies were all over the place in the box. So FedEx just dumped 3 packages that were damaged inside my big box. The box that they gave me to put everything in. Looks exactly the same. And yeah, it works. So excited. So right guys, it is time to break my fast. I told you I was doing some intermittent fasting. It's actually 1:30. I haven't eaten since yesterday at 8 or 9 something. So I actually was supposed to stop eating at 8ish, but because I was over here meeting up with Anthony to grab my new cassette tank that came in really late, I had a coffee that had some cream and sugar in it, and that counts as eating. Was it worth it? It helped me stay awake. Now I'm gonna break my fast and I'm actually gonna go easy on myself. I'm gonna have a green smoothie. So spinach, I have some frozen cherries. I also have some frozen blueberries. Then we're gonna put some raw organic protein powder in here. I like this because it's unflavored and no stevia, no sugar. I don't like any of that stuff in mine. Just gets too sweet when they put that in there. I can't stand it. I also have here my Vitamix blender. Now I used to have a really large one, but those things are really big in here and I didn't have anywhere to store it properly. So I bought this personal one. It's a smaller one. It came with this, so I can just stuff everything in here and blend it. It also has a really small pitcher as well, but I typically just use this. It works fine. One thing you have to remember about this is whatever you put down here at the bottom is actually going to be at the top when you invert it to blend it. So if you have things stuffed up here that doesn't fall easily, you won't get that blended. I usually like to put my frozen fruit in the bottom because it'll drop pretty easily. The next thing I like to put in is the protein powder, kind of in the middle, and then when you put stuff on top of it, it kind of keeps it down inside the container and it blends really nicely. So the next thing I'll do is my spinach. Put in some water. I usually like to do like halfway up, but I'm also going to put a little bit of oat milk in it. Put some oat milk in. Put the lid on nice and tight. And turn it on. I also like to put a little bit of ice inside there. So I mix it all the way up because I don't want the ice to be completely crushed in there and just turn into water. So I mix it all up really well, and then I make sure I leave enough room in there so that I can put some ice in there. So I have some ice here that I'll just put in there. I like it where it's nice and cold. All right, it is done. Oh my goodness, that is so good. It's a little sweeter than I would like. Why is it sweet? Oh, I bet you it was the cherries. The cherries made it sweet. So sometimes with frozen fruit, depends on when they pick it, it can be really sweet or it can be not that sweet at all. I should have probably tried it. Yeah, so it's a little sweeter than I would like, but it still does the trick. It's nice and cool. It's kind of got this greenish brown tint to it, but hey, it works. So this is actually where I store the Vitamix blender and the powder. So the Vitamix blender goes up here on top.
And just slide it in. I added this to my Heimer. It didn't come with it. This kind of roll-out shelf. So this just slides in the side like that. And then you close this whole thing, and I have this roll top that comes down. I will tell you, I absolutely love that space-saving shelf in there. It was just, it had like a shelf in there before, and it was so deep inside there, which is great. Lots of storage, right? But you can't access it very well. So I added that slide-out shelf that just pulls right on out. You can stack it on the top, stack it on the bottom. You have access to everything. It's perfect. So if you guys are interested in anything like that, click down in the link below to my Amazon store, go to the kitchen area or RV area, and you'll find this shelf. Does Lily want a treat? Do you want a treat? Come here. Do you want a treat? Sit. Good girl. That's a big one, huh? I'm sorry, baby. That was too big. Do you want a treat? Come. Are you gonna tell me, I love you? Tell me I love you. I love you. Show me those pearly whites. You're almost doing it. Yes? Okay. High five, high five. Good girl. Give Mama kisses. You good girl. Yes, you are. There we go. You're gonna say hi to all your fans? They love you. They love you. Because you're so adorable. And you got a sweet personality. To Mommy's girl. Oh, you think I have another treat. I don't have one. Dog one. No more treats. Not for now. What are you doing, silly girl? How are you sitting? Is that fan better on you? I put the fan on her so she can get a little more comfortable. Does that feel nice? Yeah, much better. Lily and I decided to come out here. We got the chair. Of course, Lily. We got Lily. We've got book and a drink. And Anthony should be coming out here soon, hopefully. Got a nice view, though. A little bit windy. Lily, you enjoying our rocking? Sergeant Pepper, what's going on? You can go for a walk? Not you, Lily. You're staying right here.
Lily, you can come with me.
You want to go? Go for what? Go! Thank you.
Let's go.
The dog whisperers taking Lily. It's Pepper again. And Anthony. You saying hi? Come here, this is Lily. So this is from the food truck that we were just at called Get Jerked. It's pretty good. It's not as good as what we had in Key West, but it's still really good. It's just different. It's all chopped up and then you put it over rice. You guys, I had so much fun today here with Anthony and Sergeant Pepper. I hope you guys enjoyed having Anthony on the show again. I saw some comments from you guys who thought he was quite handsome and really liked seeing him on here. Yeah, I got, you know, a wild hair at my butt last night to just drive out here, grab my package, and make sure he's okay. He had his second inoculation of his vaccine today, and I was here for his first. He had a little bit of an adverse reaction, so I was glad I was here to make sure that he was doing okay, and he is just fine. I know it's so weird, you know, it's one thing about this life that I would say that you need to be flexible. Things happen, weather happens, you know, family, friends, things happen, and you need to be flexible. And that is part of the story chasing and creating these stories of your life, is being flexible and being there for people when they need you. Anthony's always been there for me, and I loved being able to be there for him in this moment, although he said he didn't really need me, but I needed to pick up my package too. So it was good to do both and to be able to see them again. Alright guys, I love you so much, and I'm so glad that you came on this journey with me today, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. And make sure you keep story chasing, even if it's in your own neighborhood. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.